Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by updating the PS5 system software and confirming SSD compatibility. Once done, power down and unplug the console, remove the cover and unscrew the expansion bay. You must verify physical length, width, and heatsink clearance, measure for 1/4-inch room. Prepare your screwdriver and thermal pad so you can act swiftly. This initial prep reduces errors and explains why certain drives fit while others don't. It's about speed and physical space, not just capacity. Now install the drive. Align the SSD with the M.2 slot and insert at a 30-degree angle. Once seated, press gently and secure with the standoff screw. Apply the thermal pad to the SSD controller and fit the heatsink to ensure proper cooling. This prevents throttling under load. Reinstall the expansion bay cover and reconnect power. Boot normally. If the PS5 doesn't recognize the SSD, hold the power button for safe mode and choose Rebuild Database to force detection. These steps ensure reliable long-term performance. When the PS5 detects the new drive, it will prompt you to format. Accept and wait. This prepares the file system for fast streaming. Once formatted, move a few games or install one large title to test speeds, watch load times, and note temperature behavior during play. If you experience issues, power down, reseat the SSD and heatsink, ensure the standoff screw is snug, and update PS5 firmware. If problems persist, try a different compatible SSD or consult error codes. Proper seating and cooling usually fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.